Welcome to DC Norris Product Development Kitchen. Our food factory style facility is perfect for product and process trials and testing. The kitchen is equipped with our latest food processing equipment, including the belt chiller, jet cook kettle system and sous vide cook tanks. The 500 litre steam jacketed kettle is complete with jet cook, braising bar, in-vessel homogenizer and vapour reduction system. We can test products such as soups, sauces, pie fillings, beverages, condensed milk and desserts. Our belt chiller is for cooling liquid food products and can lower production times, save water and energy costs. We invite customers to use our leisure area for training, tasting and discussion. Our experienced product and process team can help with recipe development and process training. We would be delighted to welcome you soon.